Hi there, I'm Hao, and it is just another video of me solving the analytical problem. So today we need to find the minimum difference between the largest and the smallest value in three moves, right? So in one move, we can choose one element, any element, and then change that value, change that number to any value that we want. Okay. Our goal is to return the minimum difference between the smallest and the largest number in the array. So in this case, right, the smallest is 2, the largest is 5. The minimum difference is going to be 3, right? But we can have at least we can do at most 3 moves, right? So let's say 5 3 5 3 2 4, right? We can have 3 moves, right? So we can change 3 to 5, 2 to 5, and 4 to 5, right? In this case, the smallest and the largest is gonna be 0, right? Right. So whenever the uh array, right, is less than or equal to 4, right? Which means we can just like return 0. Right? It is a special case, right? Because we can have at most 3 moves. Okay. So okay, we have more than 4 elements in this case. So let's just sort the array 0, 1, 5, 10, and 14. If we don't sort, we need to use a heap because we only care about because we can have at most 3 moves, right? So we only care about the 4 smallest, right? And the 4 largest number. Right? We only care about the 4 smallest and the 4 largest number because we only have at most 3 moves. Okay. In this case, we can just look at this number and this number, right? Uh, wait, hang on, sorry. Uh, this number and this number, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We take the length, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Right? So we're gonna start out here. Right? We're gonna iterate to the end. Right? So these two number, right? So we keep track of the minimum difference, right? It's 1 in this case. Okay. And then these two number, right? 4. 4 is larger than 1, so we ignore. It is 5. And then it is 14. Right? Let's look at this example right here. We have an array like this, right? 0, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 14. Okay. So we only care about the largest 4 and the smallest 4, right? So this is 6 minus 4 is 2. So we're gonna start at this and this element. Right? Okay, so the minimum difference gonna be 4. We're gonna look at 2 and 5. The minimum will be 3. 3 is smaller than 4, so we update. Now we'll look at 4 and 10. Right? The difference is 6, larger than 3, so we ignore. And lastly, 5 and 14, the difference is 9, and that is larger than 3, so we don't do anything, and we just return 3 into it. Okay. So the idea here is that we have to sort the array, or we can use a heap, a max heap, to do this. A heap is a little bit more efficient, but I think array works is easier to implement in this case. Okay. Um, so yeah, we only cared about the 4 smallest and the 4 largest because because yeah, 3 moves. We only have 3 moves. Okay. Right. So we just subtract 4, right, from the length, and we're gonna start from here. Sorry, for 6 minus 4 is 2, so index 2. So we're gonna start from here. Right. We only look at the last 4 um number, right? And we're gonna find the difference compared to the smallest four, which is starting from the left, at index zero. All right, the last one is the four largest number, and we know that because the array is sorted. All right, so let's just code this up. So we sort the array. We're gonna start. So the left, right, are gonna be our min index, and the right gonna be our max index. Right, we're gonna start out at num dot length minus four, and ours are min diff. We're gonna start out at infinity. So y right is less than num dot length. Right, we will stop when the right get to the end. We also so in this case we only look at four numbers. Okay, or we can do by left. My left is less than four, right? Same thing. We're gonna calculate the mean difference was equal to the mean between the mean diff and the difference between the two. So numbers right minus numbers left. We're not gonna have negative number here because the array is sorted, right? And then we need to increment our left and then increment our right, right? And we can return the minimum difference at the end. And work. Thank you for watching.